Welcome to the Flower Dome, a breathtaking, air-conditioned conservatory located at Singapore's Gardens by the Bay. As the largest glass greenhouse in the world, the Flower Dome spans an incredible 1.2 hectares, which is about the size of 75 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The conservatory is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., with the last admission at 8 p.m. We recommend planning around 2 hours for a full visit to explore the diverse plant life and seasonal displays. The Flower Dome is not only massive, but it's also a marvel of architecture. With over 3,332 glass panels covering the dome, it's designed to house plants from cool, dry climates. Temperatures here range from a comfortable 23 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius throughout the year. In fact, the Flower Dome's Central Flower Field Hall can accommodate up to 1,000 people, making it perfect for large events and exhibitions. Inside the Flower Dome, you'll journey through a variety of geographical landscapes and climates, each offering a unique plant life experience. First up, the baobabs, also known as the bottle trees. These striking trees, with their bottle-like trunks, are called the tree of life, as they provide food, shelter, and even clothing for those living in the African savanna. You'll also come across the ghost tree and drunken tree, as well as the African baobab, the largest tree in the gardens. Next, explore the succulent garden, where you'll discover hardy, water-storing plants like cacti, aloes, and crassulas. These desert dwellers are designed to survive extreme conditions, often featuring protective spines and waxy surfaces to prevent dehydration. Take a trip to Australia without leaving Singapore by visiting the Australian Garden. Here, you'll find plants that thrive in the cool, dry regions of Western and South Australia. You'll see how some plants have evolved to survive long, dry spells, or even rely on wildfires for reproduction. The South African Garden offers a sea of color, with evergreen shrubs, succulents, and the unique fynbos plants. These plants have needle-like leaves and thick, waxy coats to help retain moisture, making them incredibly resilient in South Africa's tough climate. In the South American Garden, be sure to check out the monkey puzzle tree and the iconic Chilean wine palm. The exotic plants from Chile will leave you in awe with their unique forms and adaptations. For a taste of California, head up to the Californian Garden, where you'll be greeted by the colorful chaparral shrubs. These plants have adapted to survive frequent fires and have aromatic leaves that discourage animals from munching on them. The Mediterranean Garden showcases plants from one of the oldest agricultural regions in the world. Look out for crops like olives, figs, and grapes, which have been cultivated here for thousands of years. The Italian cypresses along the waterfront will transport you to Lake Como in Italy. Before you leave, be sure to stop by the olive grove, home to a 1,000-year-old olive tree. This ancient tree makes for the perfect photo opportunity. The flower field is another must-see, featuring ever-changing seasonal displays that reflect different festivals, themes, and global events. Every visit to the Flower Dome offers a new visual treat. Now, let's delve into the exciting Monet's Impressionist art exhibition, currently hosted within the stunning Flower Dome. This special exhibition runs from Friday, the 12th of July, 2024, and is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., with the last admission at 8:30 p.m. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of Claude Monet and his contemporaries. Here are some of the exhibition highlights. Step into the realm of Monet and artists like Camille Pissarro, Edouard Manet, Gustave Caillebotte, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, Paul Cézanne, and Edgar Degas. Discover their iconic works and the fascinating stories behind them, showcasing the beauty and innovation of Impressionism. As you stroll through the exhibition, you'll encounter reproductions of Monet's renowned paintings, including his famous Water Lily series. Continue your journey through a frame adorned with preserved flowers that lead you to the next captivating space. Capture a stunning photo of Monet's iconic Japanese-style green bridge, where vibrant flowers flourish in abundance. As you explore deeper, you'll notice the flowers darken in hue, symbolizing the enchanting transition from day to night. Lose yourself in a dreamy landscape that captures the essence of Monet's nighttime scenes. Here, projections of wisteria trees and water lilies dance across the walls, while soft glimmers of light reflect off a simulated water lily pond, echoing the serene beauty that captivated Monet throughout his career. Step back in time to 19th century Europe with an immersive experience that includes sights, sounds, and scents reflective of the Impressionist era. Experience fresh floral, citrusy, or woody aromas that transport you to the lush gardens and landscapes where these timeless masterpieces were created. When it comes to admission rates, there are options for both locals and tourists. For non-residents, a combined ticket for the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome, which includes entry to the Special Impressions of Monet, the experience, costs $59 for adults and $45 for children, 3 to 12 years old. For Singapore residents, tickets are more affordable, starting from $12 for adults and $8 for seniors and children for the Flower Dome on weekdays, which includes complimentary entry to the Monet experience. On weekends and public holidays, adult tickets rise to $27, and senior and child tickets are priced at $23. Do take note that only Singapore residents have the option to choose between 2 packages, depending on whether they'd like to visit both the Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. The Flower Dome can get busy, especially on weekends and during public holidays. If you're looking to avoid crowds, we recommend visiting on weekdays, ideally early in the morning before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. for a quieter experience. The cooler evenings also offer a magical view of the sunset through the dome's glass panels. Whether you're a nature lover, an art enthusiast visiting the Monet exhibition, or just someone looking for a tranquil escape, the Flower Dome has something for everyone. Don't forget to grab your tickets online or at the venue to secure your spot at this unforgettable attraction. So, come and explore the wonders of the Flower Dome at Gardens by the Bay and be immersed in a world of stunning flora from around the globe. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!